Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy your cryptocurrencies on the Binance application step by step. And our first step is opening up Binance. You wait for it to load up. And once Binance opens up, you can simply head over to the deposit icon right here, highlighted in yellow. You click on that. And if you don't possess any crypto assets, you can simply deposit in your local currency or buy with your MasterCard or your Visa card. You could simply do any of that. And at the same time, if you do have cryptocurrency assets outside of Binance, you could simply deposit your cryptocurrency here. The cryptos on Binance range from BUSD to Luna to XLM to Bitcoin to Ethereum. They have a lot of them. So if you possess any of them, you could simply just deposit on Binance. So now let's say I want to buy with my MasterCard or Visa card. I simply click on buy with NGN. It would be written as USD, Euro, GBP, whatever country you're from. It would be in your local currency. You simply click on this option right here, and now we're going to be buying in my local currency, or let's use the euro. Okay guys, and with euro we're going to be paying 500 euro. We're going to be using 500 euros to obtain 537 BUSD, and we can set it as a one-time purchase or a daily purchase depending on how much of the currency we want to purchase weekly or monthly. So from there, you simply click on buy USD, and we can use our Visa or MasterCard to pay, or you can as well as use your cash balance. That's if you're staying in the UK or in the European countries. You simply click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you put in your information and your card number as well, and the money would be taken from your card. And now for those of us who would like to use the deposit euro option, sorry, let me change this. Okay guys, you could simply deposit some money on your Binance account rather than taking the money from your card. That's through Google Pay, Google Play Store. Rather than using Google Play Store, you could simply use an e-transfer method and send some of the Nigerian naira. That's my local currency. So in your local currency, it could be USD. You simply send USD to Binance and it would be deposited automatically into your receiving account. You enter your bank name, your bank account, your information, and with that you can simply make your transactions. All right guys, and our last option is also the converting option. Once you have enough BUSD or BNB deposited in your account, you could simply swap your BNB or whatever coin you have to any available token here. Like there's literally many tokens, including Dogecoin. Dogecoin is here. You can exchange it to as many cryptocurrency tokens as you'd like. All right, guys, and once you've clicked on preview conversion, you simply click on convert, and your trade is successful. You've converted your BNB to Ethereum, and with that, you're done. You've bought a coin on Binance. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.